Not all electric burners are worth your money. That's why we've selected the top 5 best options on Amazon to help you choose the right one. All product links are in the description below. Now, let's jump straight into number 1. Number 1 is the ChangBERT Commercial Induction Cooktop, a powerful countertop burner designed for fast, efficient, and professional cooking. Built for both commercial kitchens and serious home cooks, this induction cooktop delivers reliable performance while helping you cook meals faster and more precisely. Featuring a large 8-inch heating surface, it easily accommodates a variety of induction-compatible cookware, from saucepans to large stock pots. The powerful heating system transfers energy directly to the cookware, allowing food to heat up quickly while reducing wasted energy compared to traditional electric burners. The easy-to-read digital display and simple touch controls make it easy to adjust the power and temperature to match different cooking tasks. Whether you're simmering delicate sauces, boiling pasta, preparing soups, or searing meat, this cooktop gives you accurate control for consistent results every time. Constructed with a durable stainless steel body and a smooth ceramic glass cooking surface, it's designed to withstand everyday use while remaining easy to wipe clean after cooking. The compact countertop design also makes it an excellent choice for restaurants, catering businesses, food trucks, dorm rooms, offices, RVs, or anyone who needs extra cooking space. For added convenience, this cooktop includes a built-in timer, allowing you to set cooking times without constantly watching the stove. The induction technology also helps keep the surrounding surface cooler than traditional burners, adding an extra level of safety during cooking. If you're looking for a commercial-grade electric burner that combines fast heating, precise temperature control, energy-efficient performance, and durable construction, the ChangBERT Commercial Induction Cooktop is an outstanding choice that delivers professional-quality cooking wherever you need it. Number 2 is the Elite Gourmet Double Cast Iron Electric Burner, a practical countertop cooker that gives you 2 separate cooking zones for added flexibility. Each 1,500-watt cast iron burner provides steady and even heat, making it easy to prepare multiple dishes at the same time. The independent temperature controls let you adjust each burner separately, whether you're boiling water, frying eggs, cooking vegetables, or keeping food warm. The durable cast iron plates retain heat well for consistent cooking performance, while the built-in power indicator lights clearly show when the burners are in use. Its compact design is perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, RVs, offices, or as an extra cooking surface during family gatherings. If you need a reliable double electric burner that's simple to use, easy to clean, and versatile enough for everyday cooking, the Elite Gourmet Double Cast Iron Burner is an excellent choice. Number 3 is the Nuwave Gold Precision Induction Cooktop, a powerful and portable electric burner designed to deliver fast, precise, and energy-efficient cooking. Whether you're preparing everyday meals or experimenting with new recipes, this induction cooktop gives you outstanding control over every dish. Its large 8-inch heating coil provides even heat distribution and works with a wide variety of induction-compatible cookware. With an adjustable temperature range from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit and 3 wattage settings, you can easily switch between gentle warming, slow simmering, rapid boiling, or high heat searing. The easy-to-read digital display and responsive touch controls make adjusting temperature and power quick and simple. Whether you're cooking soups, frying eggs, sautéing vegetables, boiling pasta, or searing steaks, this cooktop delivers consistent results with excellent precision. The durable 12-inch heat-resistant cooking surface is designed for long-lasting performance and is easy to clean after every use. Its compact and lightweight design also makes it perfect for apartments, RVs, dorm rooms, offices, vacation homes, or as an extra cooking station during holidays and family gatherings. Because induction technology heats the cookware directly, it reduces wasted energy while providing faster cooking than many traditional electric burners. This means you spend less time waiting and more time enjoying your meals. If you're looking for a modern electric burner that combines precise temperature control, fast heating, energy efficiency, and everyday convenience, the Nuwave Gold Precision Induction Cooktop is an outstanding choice for any kitchen. Number 4 is the Karienvir 2-burner electric cooktop, a modern electric burner designed to give you more cooking space and greater flexibility. Featuring 2 powerful heating zones with a combined 2,000-watt output, it lets you prepare multiple dishes at the same time, making everyday cooking faster and more efficient. With 8 cooking modes, responsive touch controls, and a built-in timer, you can easily adjust the heat for boiling, frying, simmering, steaming, and more. The sleek glass ceramic surface is durable, easy to clean, and adds a modern look to any kitchen. Its plug-in or built-in installation gives you flexible setup options, while the built-in safety features provide extra peace of mind during cooking. If you're looking for a stylish electric burner that combines versatility, precise controls, and dependable everyday performance, the Karienvir 2-burner electric cooktop is an excellent choice for any kitchen. Number 5 is the OVENTE electric double burner, a compact and practical countertop cooktop that's perfect for everyday cooking. Featuring 2 coil heating elements with a combined 1,700-watt output, it lets you cook 2 dishes at the same time while saving valuable kitchen space. The 5 adjustable heat settings make it easy to boil, fry, simmer, or warm your favorite meals, while the durable metal housing is built for everyday use. Its portable design is ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, camping, or as an extra burner during family gatherings. If you need an affordable, dependable, and easy-to-use electric burner for everyday cooking, the OVENTE electric double burner is a great choice for any kitchen. That wraps up our top 5 best electric burners on Amazon. Whether you need extra cooking space, a portable cooktop, or a powerful burner for everyday meals, there's a perfect option on this list. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Amazon product reviews and kitchen gadget recommendations. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.